Welcome to our walk round of the very latest Mercedes-Benz Econic. In this video we're going to look at the latest enhancements that make the Econic safer, easier to operate and more efficient to use. Starting with the cab, we have the low entry walk-in walk-out design with 3 points of contact combined with the internal steps that make it safer and easier to use for both the driver and crew members. Cross-cab access is easy too if the driver wishes to leave the cab on the safer near side. We also have a full-length bifolding door which, when you're in the driver's seat, maximises the driver's view of the near side of the vehicle, making it easier to manoeuvre in today's busy streets and safer for vulnerable road users. It also opens inwards, which is safer for pedestrians and cyclists. The door closes automatically when the Econic starts to move to help prevent trips and falls of crew members from moving vehicles. A conventional slam-type door is available as an alternative. Another important safety feature is that the mirror is mounted to the cab and not to the door. This means when the door is open, the driver has a full view down the side of the vehicle. The Econic cab promotes easy direct viewing for the driver, which reduces reaction times when compared to using mirrors or monitors. Also, the fact that the driver is at eye level with vulnerable road users in the working environment makes safer direct eye contact easier. Econic offers the best 5-star Transport for London Direct Vision standard rating, providing the driver with the best and safest place to work. And whilst talking about safety, Econic conforms to the very latest truck safety regulations, the important ECE R293, offering the driver and crew the safest place if the worst does happen. Autonomous braking systems have been around for a while now, but the Active Brake Assist 5 system fitted to the Econic does not just meet the legal requirements, it takes them to the next level. Currently, the low-round automated systems say that the systems only have to reduce the severity of an impact by reducing the speed by 20 kph when approaching stationary traffic at 80 kph. There is no requirement whatsoever for automated pedestrian recognition. For Mercedes-Benz trucks, that isn't enough protection. That's why the AEBS system fitted to the new Econic will aim to completely stop the vehicle and prevent impact and injury with vehicles or vulnerable road users recognised by the system. And at speeds of up to 50 kph, the pedestrian recognition will first warn the driver visually and audibly of potential danger. And if they fail to respond, the Econic will automatically apply 100% emergency braking if the system detects that a collision is imminent. It does this by using a fusion of a 2-stage radar system and advanced camera technology, giving crucial time to perform an emergency brake application should the driver fail to react to the visual and audible warnings. Currently, no other commercial vehicle manufacturer offers pedestrian recognition of any type. Drivers leaving handbrakes off on commercial vehicles is a common cause of accidents. That's why the handbrake on the Econic will be automatically applied when the engine is switched off. There's an in-cab warning for the driver if they open the cab door without applying the handbrake, and to aid in operational ease, the handbrake will automatically release when the driver pulls away and will act as an additional hold function when the driver applies the foot brake. When it comes to operational efficiency of the Econic, there are lots of useful features that have been developed with the end user in mind to provide optimal productivity. Knowing the gross vehicle weight of the truck is essential to maximise payload and reduce overloading, so the axle load indicator in the Econic gives the driver immediate information on overall weight, the weight on each axle in 100 kg increments, and also displays information for the bodybuilder packer stop, all helping the driver to maximise productivity while staying legal. There's a flexible service system to suit different operational uses with long service intervals of around 2,000 hours, and also plans that account for those municipal users who will likely to service annually in line with their MOT test. Longer service intervals not only reduce the cost of operation, but also reduce the environmental impact of waste oils and filters, etc. With regards to the warranty and maintenance on the Econic, you get a 3-year, 160,000 km full vehicle warranty as standard. and Mercedes-Benz Truck do offer a cost-effective warranty extension to 5 years and 450,000 kilometres. Mercedes-Benz warranties include Service 24 breakdown assistance and recovery. Now, when it comes to those all-important driver checks, some of these have been made easier than ever on the new Econic. Oil level can be checked via the steering wheel and instruments display. A nice time-saving button helps with the exterior light check. With ignition on, press the button and every lamp connected to the system will display whilst the driver walks around the truck to check for the lamp operation. Even the difficult to check brake light and rear cluster. As we mentioned at the start of this film, the new Econic has been developed with absolute focus on the end user's requirements. With our operators facing more congested streets than ever, the vehicle's turning circle is even more important, reducing journey times, vehicle damage and making the driver's task less stressful. Well, with the Econic, the steering design means you get exceptional steering angles, resulting in a curb-to-curb turning circle of just 13.1 metres, which is on average a metre less than the competition. Whilst the Econic is very well equipped as standard, there is a great range of optional equipment available to allow the operator to get the absolute best solution for their operational challenges. Another great feature is a cab kneeling function that automatically lowers the cab by 40mm upon door opening, resulting in an initial step height of just 450mm, offering improved cab access and reduced crew fatigue. This cab can also be lowered by a switch if required. The vehicle returns to normal height when the doors close. Side guard assist provides the driver with a two-stage warning system to any potential hazards on the near side of the vehicle. Using a side-mounted radar system that has forward and rear-facing radar sensors, the length of the vehicle is monitored along with the current steering angle of the vehicle. If a hazard is detected, the driver is alerted with an amber warning on the A-pillar adjacent to the mirror. If the system detects a collision is imminent, there is a red warning on both the A-pillar and the dashboard, together with an audible warning. At the rear of the Econic we have rear guard assist, which senses vulnerable road users behind the vehicle. This system is type approved and gives the driver a dash display of the distance between any vulnerable road user or objects behind the Econic. The system limits the reversing speed to 7 kph and gradually applies the brakes if the WABCO sensors are triggered. The automatic braking will release, however, after a warning, allowing controlled and precise reversing when moving into loading bays or other sensitive manoeuvres. Finally, we have a fully type-approved blind spot camera system. This uses a 4-camera system, 2 rearward-facing cameras on the mirror arms, 1 forward-facing camera above the windscreen, replacing the conventional Class 6 down-view mirror, and 1 rearward-facing camera for bodybuilder placement. All cameras link to a single dash-mounted monitor which works in an intuitive way. With the Econic stationary and brakes applied, all 4 camera angles are displayed on the screen. When pulling away to 10 kph, the Class 6 front view is displayed because even from a cab with such good direct vision, there is still a small risk of a very small vulnerable road user being in front of the vehicle. When turning or indicating up to 35 kph, the main view is automatically directed to show any danger on that side of the vehicle. The driver can select a specific view if required manually via the column stalk at any time. When reversing, the rear view and the 2 side views are displayed, and at speeds over 35 kph, the screen turns off automatically to avoid distracting the driver. And that completes our walk round of the new Mercedes-Benz Econic. As ever, if you have any questions or want to arrange a closer look, please contact your local Mercedes-Benz dealer or visit mbtrucks.co.uk.